Hey, welcome back everybody. Big Migos channel here. I got us a nice video for us like always. You know what I'm saying? Ain't gonna let us down. But get your little, you know what I'm saying, ready? Cause I stay with mine. Y'all already know. So let's get into this video.
Fake cop!
Stop.
Please, this fake cop is arresting me! I can't breathe.
Breathe.
I need help. Do you
We already got a fake cop?
Robert Gessler is arresting
Okay.
me. Don't touch me, Robert.
You say,
I have a restraining order.
oh, it's the yellow shirt. The yellow shirt guys. That's some securities that be
random
on
people
the bicycle.
relaxing on a beach and verbally threatened them. According to a publicly accessible court document, Stacy is a habitual felony offender.
Damn. That means a habitual means that, you know, you just constantly basically lying about shit. You constantly keep doing it over and over and over and like.
K9609, also
Giving her the slow bop. Is that her in the chair? Oh no.
Bravo 1. She's headed back north. It's gonna be a white female. Got like a pinkish red flowered bottom with a black t-shirt. I believe it's Rachel. She's got an ankle monitor on her ankle.
Damn! She got an ankle monitor on her? Oh, she's savage. She real savage, but I'm trying to tell you. It's hard to catch one with ankle monitors on, you know what I mean? Unless they about that shit. Or they just insane.
Bravo 2.
Damn, she threatening somebody already?
Hey, I'm on I got a rose on my shoulder. You gonna call the cops on me now?
We're already here, ma'am. How are you? Come here. Come here.
Damn, really? She wasn't even on point.
Can I have it, please?
Yes, you can.
Okay. What's
This
the
man
problem?
is harassing me.
Okay, right here. You don't have to.
Talking about what you gonna call the cops on me now? She turn around, yo, yo's ass over right here.
Can I put my stuff down on the table?
No. Tables are off limits. Put it right there.
Okay.
Nobody's gonna take it. I'm right here.
I want to see your. Who are you?
I'm the deputy sheriff. That's gonna.
That was like the Mortal Kombat movie. When she was like, don't worry, my friends will be here for me. And then Johnny Cage and Luke Kane and them popped out and Shang Tsung was like, we're already here.
Police department.
You know,
Stop.
Let me go right now.
for y'all older
Somebody
people
call
to
the
watch
cops.
the first
This man is
Mortal
not a cop.
Kombat.
He's a fake cop. I'm being arrested by a fake cop. Can you please help me?
Uh-oh, show off artist.
Stop.
Please, this fake cop is arresting me.
Stop.
Call 911. Can you call 911 now? I'm from Boca. This man is hurting me. Please videotape this. Please videotape this.
She's really OC. Damn!
You stop.
Did she just did
Psycho.
Stop.
Someone help me. Help
What's
me
your
now.
problem today?
that was good.
What is your problem?
Psycho.
Because if she threw herself back like that, or she caught me,
You want to hurt me
I
now?
thought yo pushed her.
I'm at
I'd be like, he
21st
pushed
Avenue,
her. Motherfucker! Get this on record, World Star! World Star!
Let go of your
No,
hand.
I
It
want a
had
police
been me.
officer from the DFW Police Department.
I am.
You're not.
I am.
You're not. I didn't
I'd have been
help.
feeding her
Please,
ego
God,
all
help
day.
me. God.
I'd have made her show off more.
Right now. Please, God, help me.
Like, God, help her.
This is
Help her. Look what them police doing.
Please help me,
Relax.
sir.
Get peppered.
He's actually being real calm with her.
You're gonna
No,
get
it's not.
peppered.
No, it's not. I want you to call
Relax.
She look like she a
Get
smoker.
peppered.
I want you to call the police department. Call your officer now.
And I don't mean it.
Says call your officer.
You know what I mean?
Call your officer
You
now.
know, other type.
Kelly J says call your officer now. Call your officer now. Kelly J says call your officer now.
Relax.
Call your officer now.
You can tell smoking, you know what I mean? Look, you see all them indents in her face.
Stop resisting. Give me your hand.
Resisting. I want the police department.
You're
If
here.
you break my arm, sir.
And she just cool with her toes being out all in this grass. And they not even at the beach.
Right now. Let go of me. Please help me. Please help me. I'm being fake arrested in my own hometown.
Put your arm
How you
behind
being
your back.
fake
Please
arrested?
help me.
Put your arm behind
What's
your
fake
back. You ain't
about
going nowhere.
any of this?
Put your arm behind your back. Let go of your purse.
No. You're drunk. I smell the alcohol in your breath, boy.
Okay.
I smell the alcohol in your... This man is drinking and he's...
She said, boy.
Please help me.
Yo.
Please help me. Man, please help
That's
me.
crazy.
Please
Just
help
like
me.
tossed her shoes.
Put your arm out behind your back.
Calling for help now.
He's hurting me. He's hurting me. Ow! Ow!
So I'm trying to figure out how is they fake arresting her My man's shirt say sheriff. He ain't heard. And there's two other police officers with badges and body cams and.
Let your arm up. Let your arm up. Let's go. Stop. Stop resisting. Just stop
What is she
resisting.
saying?
I'm not resisting, sir.
Stop resisting.
You're not reading my rights.
Stop resisting.
You didn't read me my rights. My Michelle Watts. My Michelle
Damn,
Watts.
they robbing her. I ain't never had a police officer take my watch off.
Please help me.
Yo, just
We're gonna get
click and say, "Oh, is this a rolling?"
Sit up.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
Breathe.
I need help.
Because they could have put the cuffs on her and she'd have took that jewelry down with her to the station.
Please help my
You
watch.
feel what I'm saying? They'd have took that up off her and all that then and there.
Relax.
My dead mother, stop. Please help
Relax.
me. They're hurting me. Please, they're trying to beat me up.
Have fire rescue come up here and check her.
White female detained.
I'm sorry to hear about your dead mom. You know, condolences, but you
So what's
stole
your
your
first
shit.
You know?
Bitch, you got
I want
robbed.
my Michelle Watch in my hand right now.
No, it's
I
not
want
going
my
to.
Michelle
Got robbed
Watch in
and I
my
don't know
hand.
where's this,
Call
Miami.
your officer now.
I
Call
don't
your
know.
officer now. Call your officer now. Call your officer now. When I'm in trouble,
That's
they
a
tell me to
Michelle
call my
Watch.
officer now.
We're
And they
here.
tell me they won't hurt me.
We're
Call your
here.
officer now. Call your officer
Call your
now.
officer. Call your sergeant.
Call your officer now. I have an ankle monitor, and they tell me to call my officer now. When I'm in trouble, I'm in
Why her
trouble.
toenail
Call your
yellow?
officer now.
Y'all see
Call your
that?
officer now. Call your
Damn,
officer now.
gang, you see
I
that
want my
shit?
Michelle Watch in the dirt. My
Her
Michelle
toenail
Watch in
like.
the dirt.
Down there,
I am not
Look at
moving
that
until I see
thing.
your face.
Relax.
Call your officer now.
Oh
Call your officer
no.
now.
We're
Call
here.
your officer now.
We're here.
I hope that's fingernail polish
I know.
because her toenail look infected.
Robert?
Nope.
I'm telling you, it shouldn't be like yellow like that.
What's your no? You tell me your name.
It's like a yellowish
I want your
tan.
police officer badge number
I'm
right
gonna
now.
give you my
I want
badge
your name
number.
right now, sir.
Okay.
I want to know who's
So
arresting
she-
me and who is hurting me right now. You're hurting me.
What made her come up
Hurting
with
me right
Robert?
now, sir. You are hurting me, sir. I am not.
Okay,
doing anything
toenails
wrong,
are painted.
sir. I am relaxed. Get your hands off me, you freak of.
I'm like a 50% chance of these little guessing games when I
bite
can't
the
see.
Hand. Do not
It's all good.
bite the hand.
If you
Hear me. Do not bite the
I will
hand.
sue the out of you.
That's all right. You can get in line and get
That
something.
feeds you.
Okay? You just relax.
You heard what he was saying? Look, dang, he grabbed her by her head.
Hey, Robert Gessler.
You heard what I said,
New
baby?
Jersey's chief of police department.
No, that's against the law, ain't it?
Robert Gessler, Point Pleasant Beach, New Jersey.
That's against the
I
law.
am Jim Moran Jr.
Yo, yanking her up like,
daughter-in-law.
yo,
Stacy
got her by the head.
Samarel. James Wayland Stewart is my mother.
Robert Bell.
Boyfriend.
You on probation?
And Jim Moran Jr.
Are you on
is my
probation?
father. Jim Jr. is my father. Jim Moran Jr. is my father. Jim Moran Jr. is my father. Jim Moran Jr. is my
Yeah,
father.
she
Moran Jr.
is
my father.
either
Jim Moran
schizo
Jr. is my
like
father.
a mother,
This man is hurting me.
or
I am okay. This is Robert Gessler.
she's just
Robert
smoke.
Gessler told me he's hurting me. Please, Robert, I'm asking you to stop hurting me. I am not Kelsey.
Of
And I
course
am
she
not
on
Fallon.
probation. You don't see
I am
that
not
big
Kelsey,
ass
and I am
monitor
not
on her
Fallon.
ankle?
And you cannot set me
Good
up.
job,
This is
Dinkleberry.
Florida.
Hey, ma'am.
You can't set me up, Robert Gessel. Robert Gessel, why are you still
Look
talking?
at the
to
people
Robert
over in the
Gessel?
background
Why are
just
you
looking
still
like,
talking
hey,
to
yo.
Robert Gessel?
I'm
This
like,
is
I'm
Point
chilling. I'm
Pleasant
not
Beach, New
moving.
Jersey,
This a
Robert Gessel.
shout.
You can't arrest
It's a shout.
Robert, are you going to keep talking? Because I have a restraining order against you, Robert Gessel.
Oh,
Why are
New
you having
Jersey.
these on me, Robert Gessel?
Do you want to talk to me?
Yes, I want Robert Gessel off of me right now.
Definitely.
All right, listen, man.
Get Robert Gessel
A
off of me
smoker.
and I will calm down.
And a
For me to talk
schizo.
to you, you gotta listen up, all right? Listen, Robert Gessel is gonna get off of you.
Okay.
As soon as fire rescue comes out to check you out, okay?
No problem. Robert Gessel, get off of me.
Listen, as soon as fire rescue gets here, he's gonna get off of you.
Perfect.
Are you gonna relax?
Yes, I am.
So is that my man real name right there? Robert
Yes, I
Gessel?
will.
Or is he just...
All right, sit down calmly for me, okay?
No problem.
Thank you.
I guess that he's just saying that his name just to calm her down.
Jim Moran Jr. is my
So
father.
she's just
I have a
rambling
restraining
about-
order against Robert Gessel. Robert Gessel is arresting me. Don't touch me, Robert. I have a restraining order.
Hey, talk to me. What's your name?
My name is Stacy Samarel. He's hurting me.
Seems like she ain't memorized all this shit.
Stop hurting me.
Sammy, listen. Stop.
Make him stop hurting me.
Stop.
Oh, it's your son. Hey, boy from the car.
Relax.
Hey, boy from the car. Kelsey said, I'm Fallon. I am Fallon. I am Fallon.
Stand up.
I am Fallon.
What? The boy from the
Don't give us a hard time, okay?
Hey, Robert Gessel and son. are going to jail, motherfucker. You motherfucker going to jail. Great. Take me to Lighthouse Point Police Department.
Motherfucker.
You're going to jail.
Come on, take me to jail, motherfucker.
Ryan was my best friend. Hey, Kelsey likes to get by Robert.
Oh shit.
Stacy got 3 criminal charges, including
Okay,
felony
who's
battery
Ryan?
on law enforcement officer,
Damn,
felony
Kelsey
resist
likes
officer
to.
with violence, and
Okay.
misdemeanor disorderly conduct. On February 16th, 2021, the state attorney's office declined to prosecute 2 of the charges.
That's all
For the
she got?
remaining charge, on February 17th,
Okay.
2023, Stacy pleaded no contest
Why?
and was subsequently adjudicated guilty. She was then ordered to undergo 2 years of community control to be followed by 3 years of probation. About
Okay.
10 months later, on December 5th, 2023, Stacy was arrested again after she
What?
violated several terms of her community control
Community service?
and probation. Following that, on March 6th,
Damn.
2024,
Come on, y'all.
she was
Y'all already
sentenced
know she got
to
a
life in
box, man.
prison
She should
and
just
given
be.
credit
Just
for
just
the
leave her in jail.
133 days she had already served.
Damn, they finally gave her 50 months. Wow. Hey, y'all, that was a good video right there, man. Big Migos channel with the best. Hey, stay tuned for next time, too.